Well, Revolver is good music, good coffee, good people, and good art. Period.
Looking back at me, but I never seen you. Cover for our hearts. There's no plastic for our hearts. There's no cover for our hearts. There's no plastic for our hearts.
Revolver is God's playground. He does his things here, and we get to just play with him. Play his conversation, play his tune. It's his playground.
Stand up on that mic, they know. Speaking of that truth, they know. Watch me as I rock it out like P.O.D. I'm rocking hard. 619, they know they God, but they know I got the show. Fifth at the time I spit these 150 bars, they go. Watch me as I'm doing this. Watch me as I doing me. Watch me as you do your own dance. Watch me as I shake my feet. Watch them as I stand up mic. Watch I gonna do it tight. Yes, I got an appetite to preach the gospel, that is right. If I stand up once again, better know I'm a God. If I stand up, better know I'm shaking, oh my God, I know I am the one representing Jesus, son. This is the way I do this every time they know they clueless, son.
Revolver is unwinding.
Revolver is the best, most awkward ministry because we're the only ones in the church to have the cops called on us.
Revolver is to people what the moonwalk was to Michael Jackson.
Revolver is a place where there's a little bit for everybody. So if you're down for like hip hop and like rapping, in the back there's a DJ, little sesh going on. And then there's a little art gallery where people put in their artistic talents. Then you come up front and you can sit back and have some acoustic sets playing. That's all.